are welcome to my other episode of Do It Yourself. In this episode, I would like to show you how to replace these spark plugs for a Honda CR-V. This is specifically for the models between 2012 to 2015, 2016. As a safety measure, before you work on your vehicles, always disconnect the battery first. First of all, you will need to remove this 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws from this plastic cover that's right above the engine. Once you remove this one, then you'll be easy to get access behind and to remove the spark plug from the inside. So first of all, we're going to remove all these 10mm nuts. So you need a 10mm socket. Then you remove this plastic cover, the engine cover. These 4 spark plugs are inside each of this connector here. These are also 10mm bolts, so you need a 10mm socket. Once you loosen up the 10mm bolt with your wrench, then you can use hand to loosen it up. Now disengage the electrical connection from the spark plug using a small flat end Phillips screwdriver. You can lift this connector up a little bit and pull the electrical hookup out. Lift it up and pull it out this way. You do the same for the other one. You can see a little slit there. Lift it up this way and pull the plug out. Lift this, you can see a little bit, lift this up and pull this out. Alright, one more. Lift this up using the flat end screwdriver. Insert to the side, lift it up this way, and you can remove the plug. You can pull the plug out. Okay, like that. Remove the screw. And take this cap off. In order to reach the inside to remove the spark plug, you will need extension bar and also this 14mm deep socket. This is a 14mm deep socket specifically for the spark plug for the CR-V. So you will connect this 14mm deep socket to your extension bar and then to your another ratchet. Once you loosen it up, you insert this other part back there to pull the spark plug out. Just carefully insert this part. This is where the spark plug holding. So now you can bring the spark plug out now. Now you can look at this old spark plug. So we're going to put the new one back. Just drop this spark plug. And then we tighten it up. I'm going to put this, take the other one out. And you can do for the rest the same. Just continue removing the spark plug like the same way until you do the last one. Once you loosen up again, you can use a finger pressure to unscrew and remove and to loosen up the spark plug. And you feel the click inside, that means the spark plug is loose. Then you're going to insert this spark plug holder. And carefully pull the spark plug out. Once you remove all the old spark plug, now you can drop all the new spark plug in. Once you insert all the spark plug, then you can hand tighten it up first. This way you can get a feel of your spark plug. Just hand finger pressure. Now we're going to tighten this up. Now we're going to reinsert all these 4 spark plug holder. back to the right position. Tighten up the 10mm bolts back to each. Now you're going to connect the electrode back there. Just plug it in back. Hope that you will still see from this angle. So once you tighten up all this spark plug connector, we're going to put this electrical hookup back here. Again, I hope you can still see it in the screen. Just slide this inside. Same for this one, slide it inside. Click until you hear the click. Slide this inside until you hear the click. And slide this inside until you hear the click. And this gonna insert this rack back here and click. Now we're gonna put the cover back. I'm going to put this 5-10mm screw back. So first of all, again use your finger pressure to tighten up this 5 of these 10mm friction screws first. So that will complete the replacement of this 4 spark plug for your Honda CR-V. Make sure you put the battery back when you finish. As you can see, this is not a very challenging project. I trust that you can do it yourself as well. Feel free to share this tutorial with any other CR-V vehicles owners. I will see you on the next episode of Do It Yourself. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you. Bye.
What?